Today, I am going to show you how to convert fractions into percentage. So, we have 3 over 4. We need to convert it into fraction form. So, 3 over 4, we need to multiply it with 100 to convert it into percentage form. So, we multiply it with 100. After this, we need to divide or simplify it by dividing 100 on 4. So if we divide 100 on 4, 25 times 4, 25 times 4 is equal to 100. So then we multiply 25 by 3, it will become 75%. So this is our answer. So for practice, we take another example. We can take another fraction, 5 over 8. We need to convert it into fraction form. So we multiply 5 over 8 by 100. So now we need to divide 100 on 8. So if we divide 100 on 8, 8 times 1 is equal to 8, and 100 divided by 8 is 12.5. So now we multiply 12.5 by 5. So we will get 62.5. So this is our answer. For more practice, we can take another example. We have 1 over 10. 1 over 10. We need to convert it into percentage form. So 1 over 10 multiplied by 100, then we divide 100 on 10, so we will get 10. After this we multiply 1 by 10, we will get 10. So this is our percentage form.